Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to use another string function, Python string function, that is isdecimal. It will check the decimal value of that particular Unicode form. If there is a text present in a Unicode form and check it, that Unicode is the particular numeric value or numeric data or not, isdecimal. So let's check. Text equal to within double quotes slash u double three. This is the Unicode of 3, the numeric value 3. Now print is decimal, text dot is decimal, and it is going to return you run code true. Yes, it's a numeric data because Unicode I will given inside the text, and inside the text it will be converted to the isdecimal, and it will check and return you the numeric value. If there is a numeric is present, it returns you numeric value in the Unicode form. Okay, and it also return you, see, there is on a def isdecimal, it returns in bool. Bool means true or false, so it returns you true, means it's a bool form is the true function. Okay, fine. Understand how it is going to be work. So next, other functions what are the coming out in upcoming videos. Please like and share this video. Go through the comment box, type there if you have any doubt. Click on the bell icon. If on upcoming videos, future videos I am uploaded, when I am going to upload it, you get the notification. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.